New tank. This is how it looks like, and this is the new control point where you turn it off or turn it on for the water to flow. This particular iron is a bit looks stronger than the rest of the irons I have been using. So let me see how it looks like. All right, so join me. Let me unbox my third steam iron, 2 Lion steam iron. So I bought this from OT Multi Ventures. Let me show you the receipt. Now, for most designers who are into male fashion designing, or even female, you need this iron. So this is gotten from OT Multi Ventures, right? They are the #1 general merchandise in importation of sewing materials, machines, and accessories. I bought it for 70,000 naira. The main iron for 65,000 naira, and the Teflon cover for 5,000 naira. Some other vendors sells iron 70, 75, 80, but they sell for 65,000 naira. This iron was bought firstly when I bought my first one 2 years ago or thereabouts at the rate of 45,000 naira. So here we do the unboxing. So this is called a Teflon cover, and this Teflon cover is very important that you get it alongside when you are getting your iron, because it helps to safeguard the surface of your iron from burning fabrics and staining clothes. So I recommend this greatly. So here is the water tank. I think this one they have remodernized this a bit, and inside it you see the pipe. So they have remodernized this water tank a bit. So inside it you will see the pipe, the hose that will be used to connect the tank to the steam iron. So I think this is a 1 yard of pipe, but they can do well to make this to be 2 yards or 3 yards subsequently. I don't know if this pipe can be bought. I will check if I can buy this in the market. If I can, I will now have to buy the longer yardage of this. And this is the spring for it. So, and then here is the iron base. This is very important that when you keep your fabric, when you keep the iron on the table, this does not allow it to burn. But if you keep it on the fabric or on the table, it burns the fabric, right? So this is very important. This is called the thermostat and rubber. So here comes the iron. So this, the reason I kind of prefer 2 Lion is because it looks so solid. I like the solidness of the body. Look at how solid this looks. This is steel 300L, right? 1,100 watts electric steam iron. So this is so lovely. So this is a good buy. If you're into male fashion designing, you must own this. You must own this. Then for the Teflon cover, it's being put this way. And this is how you will insert the Teflon cover to it. So if you really want to enjoy your ironing, this is it now. So this is how it is. And here you place it on top, just like this, and that's good. So this is the manual. So the manual is right there for the connection. So even if you don't know how to fix this, you can use the manual to go about the fixing. And right here, you will now unbox the rope. You remove it. I think this wire is a bit bigger. This wire is a bit bigger than the other ones I bought. This wire is a bit bigger. It's a bit bigger. Then you pick it up this way. You open up this. This is easier now to install, unlike the other one that has accessories. So you just let me use this area that is colored. Tuck the rope in there, the elastic in there, and put it here. So that's all. So you put it up. So I will fill water in here. and then I will test it as well. So now I have put water in the tank. Even though this tank looks smaller though, but I think it's still okay. So let me test the steam. So when you on the steam, you don't need to press it yet. You have to leave it to steam up because it's still a very new iron. So once it steams up, then it will get hot to an extent before you start using the steam effect. So you have to leave it for some seconds. It will steam, it will get hot before you start using the steam effect. Then you also hang your tank somewhere off this way, and then you open the tap here, to make sure that the water is flowing. So I will leave it to steam a bit before I open it up again. Okay, so let's test our steam iron. So after you allow it to heat a bit, then make sure whatever you're ironing must be fabric. Please don't iron anything that is not fabric. So I will check if the water is coming out first, and then I will on the tank tap, and then gently the steam will come, right? Don't be in a haste to see the steam. Allow it to heat. You can increase it to 3, like this to 3 or 2.5. Allow it to get hot first. And then try the steam again. It's coming gradually. You try the steam again. Gradually the steam will come. It's hot already, but the steam is not yet coming. So I'll allow it for more minutes. The steam is coming right now. The steam has started coming out. So it's something that you have to, take it softly. You see the steam is coming, right? You see the steam, right? The steam is coming. So now, please note that the iron regulator has a particular way of using it. If you know you are working with a hard fabric, you put it to 3. If you are doing light fabrics, you can put it to 2 or 1. All right, so that's for the review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye for now. Hello lovely viewers. So in this tutorial I want to unbox my new steam iron. So just stay tuned and watch me unbox and have a review of this lovely steam iron.